Right guys, my bike's in bits, half the panels are missing and I don't have an exhaust, so I just stuck a Black Widow can with no baffle on. So this is just loud as fuck right now. Please go, van. I slid so much when I turned there. That's why I don't like running these summer tyres, man. But I don't want to replace them though, because I don't want winter tyres to run for, you know, a couple months and then not run until the next year. Oh, this thing sounds so good. I just wish I had the valve in because I can't. Bro, I'm definitely getting fucking pulled. So that's the reason I don't have the exhaust on right now. I have an exhaust valve being installed. And the reason the panels are off is because I needed to get to, it's a 3-piece exhaust system. I needed to get to one of the other pieces, so. But, and the other side's off because my coolant level is like way below the low. So I'm gonna get the coolant system flushed and have fresh coolant put in this. This thing sounds so good though. Bro, why is it gotta be illegal to have no baffle, man? It don't hurt no one. And you can't tell me that little piece of mesh is stopping emissions, because it don't do shit. And this thing is decat, so, you know, it's a little louder than it should be as well. Oh, the roll off on this thing. So cold. I literally feel like I'm shirtless because the wind is just going straight through my jacket and then straight through my jumper. Someone crashed into that bus. What do you even call it? It's not a bus station, it's not a bus box. I don't know. There's someone hit it with their car, I can tell. I don't have time for this, I literally have like 10 minutes. So we've been to the bank and we've been to the shops, and between there, I didn't record, but a police came up in front of us. So I was literally just holding my foot over the exhaust, doing the best I can, and then I think someone was going the wrong way down a one-way road, and the police pulled over to them, and I just cruised past covering my exhaust, because I was like, nah, I ain't trying to get pulled over. I'd love to run this all the time, but it's a police magnet. You can probably hear me from half a mile